Chapter 2, buckets. So these are the buckets. I'm a basketball guy. I love talking buckets, baskets, but these are the funnels through which you should be looking at both the problem the business has, the problem that we talked about, and how your product's outcomes fit into it. So if you use this framework, it's a great way to organize the problem and how bad it is, and the benefits and how good your outcome is, right? So these are the four: clinical, operational, strategic, and financial. And as we dive into each bucket in the next couple of videos, I'll go deeper on these. But understand, clinical basically means patient, doctor, nurse to an extent. Operational means workflow. How does this make us do the same better, faster, less steps, less staff, however it is you choose to look at it. Strategic, how does this help us hit our KPIs? Where are we struggling on our KPIs if we're talking about the problem? And then financial, what are the economic components of it? Doesn't mean you have to save money, but everybody wants to know when they go to buy something, what's it cost? What's it going to cost me? Be nice to have a return on investment. If so, how soon would I see it? Does it save us money? All those things. So if you think about the problem that you solve for this business, or at least help with, and the solution that you hope your product delivers to solve that problem, when you describe them in these buckets, it really gives a very nice framework. I'd really like to credit my friend Jim Surik, currently CEO of Valencia Technologies, who would describe the funnel. And he was always talking about clinical, financial, strategic, were the three funnels he put through. I've added operational over the years because I can see that this is an important thing for business people. They want to know what we're doing now. Can we eliminate steps? Can we cut back on the workload for our staff? Can we make our staff more productive? It's more operational. We'll talk more about that in future videos. But if you just think of the problem we solve for the business, let's put it in these four buckets. And then when my solution is described, we put them in the same exact buckets. Then you can compare before and after. And it really makes it easy for the business people, the decision makers, to make a decision. And that's really what we want. Now, remember, I have slides that go along with this. I'm not showing them here, but I'm glad to send them to you so that you have a sort of a chart or a document to write notes on or pay attention that accompanies this. If you want it, just email me at mcopeland@valueanalysisexpert.com, and I'm glad to send it to you. I want to make sure you have something that helps you learn how to do this with your product. Follow along on LinkedIn, follow along on YouTube here, and we will go through all the steps on what the heck is a business case and how do I use it to get my new product approved.